Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that American classic House of the Rising Sun and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Now in this tutorial we'll be using bends. Now don't worry if you don't know how to use bends. I've included some links in the description below to some awesome bending tutorials. Here's what House of the Rising Sun looks like when it's written down, and here is how it sounds. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 6 twice. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 10 3 times. Blow into 9. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathe in through 10 3 times. Blow into 9 twice. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8 3 times. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 6 3 times. Breathe in through 6 and bend the note to produce the G sharp. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 6 and bend the note to produce the G sharp. And breathe in through 6 to produce the A. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.